Hey friends, what if an AI could predict the perfect number to help you score the best shot in the golf game? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Today, we will train our own machine learning number prediction model. Use it to choose the best power and direction for every golf shot. So, are you ready to train your AI and start scoring like a champion? So let's jump into Scratch and start coding. So first, here we are going to train our model to play golf and put the ball in hole correctly. So for that, how we'll train our machine to play golf very well. So let's start. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a link which I'll put over here. This link is available in the description. You can take it from that and click enter. So you can see Machine Learning for Kids Scratch screen is open on our browser. Now here we are going to upload the project template which is available with the basic coding. By using this template, we'll train our machine to play the golf well. And also with the help of this project, we'll understand how the machine predict the right number for the better results. So I just click on project templates. Here I'm going to choose golf. Here is it. Okay, so you can see there is a hole which have flag over it, and here we need to put this ball in this hole to get the score, right? How we're going to run this game? We need to press S to hit the ball after clicking when green flag click. If you don't want to change the position of hole, you need to press R. I will show you how it's work. First, make a full screen. And here I just click on green flag. You can see while we click the green flag, it's refresh the position of flag. It could come on random position. Now you need to cover this much distance with the help of ball. And now how you will hit the ball? Just click on S. Like see. Sorry, it's not reached till now. Now if I'll press R, again you can see the flag position is not changed, only it get refreshed, right? But when if I'll click on green flag again, you can see flag position and the whole position is changed. Okay, now I can change the power and direction. On the basis of that, the movement of ball will change. We need to set the power and direction accordingly so the ball directly move to the hole and will get our score. Like here I will set power 5, okay, and direction would be okay. I will set this much. Now I will press S. Oh, I think we need to change the direction. So I'll press R again because I don't want to change the position. I want in the same position, and according to that I need to train my model first. Now let's try again. Great. See how smoothly our ball moved to the hole and our score is increased by 1. Great. In the same way, I have set the power and direction. I need to train my model so this data gets stored in the machine, and on the basis of that, while we play in future, it set the power and direction according to the position of hole and will get the maximum score as we can. So in this project, we are going to train our machine to predict numbers. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. First, what I'm going to do now, I will open my browser. I will type Machine Learning for Kids. And now open this first option in New tab. And here I just click on Get Started. If you have your own account, you can log in, or directly you can click on Try It Now. Now we are going to add a new project. Here I will give the name Golf. You can give the name according to your wish. Here we are going to predicting numbers, right? So we'll choose predicting number. And now the storage I want to store in the web browser. Okay, click on create. And now what I'm going to do, I need to train my model. How we are going to train our model? Because we need number, right? And for that, I need to train my model on the basis of the data which we'll get from score. So first, what I'm going to do, I'll just click on train. And here I will add some columns. Like first, according to the hole position, I will set hole X. And next I will add power, and the third one direction. Okay, so there are three columns I had. The major column on which our machine learning model effectively depend on that is the power. How much power we use to throw the ball towards the hole. It's majorly effect to get the highest score. So for that, I just click on power and then we'll click on change output column. And now I'll click on direction and then again I'll click on change output column, because these are the two factors on which our score is depends. So we'll click back to the project and straight we'll go to make. Learn and test we'll do after we'll train our model. So we'll click on make and directly we'll go to scratch 3. Here you can see some specific blocks we have. Your project will add these blocks to scratch. Input number in this and it will return the prediction of output number. Whatever the inputs we'll put over here, on the basis of that we'll get the output numbers. So here we'll go and this is our screen. What I'm going to do now, before that I'll show you the template how it's work. So we'll click on project template and here we'll select goal. Here is it. Great. And you can see by default the block palettes we need for this images and golf, it's here. You can see it has some blocks available, right? Now what I'm going to do, I need to train my model and I want to save the value of power and direction when I get the score. So it will learn from the data and on the basis of that it will show the output. For that, I will click on stage and here you can see these are three variables we have: whole axis, power and direction. And here we have two blocks on the basis of broadcast. One is when I receive score. What should happen when I receive score? It should be add training data, whole axis is power and direction. So all the values should store in my columns to train my model. So I will put these variables over here. Done. Whenever I will get score, if my score reach to 1, it means that data is quite enough to find out the value when my power and distance is this much, that ball directly go to the hole, right? So now at least we need to give 10 values at the different position, so it will be better to train a good model. So what I'm going to do, I'll make the big screen and here we'll get the score as much as possible, right? I just click on green flag. Now this position you can see it's changed. I have already shown you how it's work. Now what I'm going to do, I will set the power and the direction. Like I will set this much. Now I'll click on S. Great. You can see my score is 1 now. And do you want to see the effect? Now again you can see I just click on machine learning for kids and here go back to project and here I just click on train model and here you can see it stores the value of power and direction. When the whole axis is 96, power would be 5 and direction would be 29, right? In the same way, we'll get multiple results. So we'll go back to our scratch screen and here I need to train my model at one position 3 times. So it will be better to train a good model. I'm not going to click on flag. I'm going to click on R. So the position will be same. And now again, I'm going to click on S. Great. Again, I click on R and again S. 3 times my data is recorded. Great. Now again I just click on flag and here you can see its position is changed and here I will make its power 7 bit higher and now I'll try. Just click on S. Oh, I missed the shot. Let's try again at the same position. Direction would be changed and now try again. No, I missed again. Great. You can see our score is 4. Now in the same position, I will train my model 3 times. Again S. Great. R. Again S. Good. And now again I need to change the position and here I will set my power 4. It's not fixed value, right? It's up to you and on the basis of that you can train your model. Great. Again in the same position. Again. Okay, this one will try. Here the power would be 3. Let's try it again. Make it 17. Great. Let's try for this one also. Approximate 15 score we get. So we have set with the different positions. Now what I'm going to do, I'll back to my screen, and here I'll go back to my project and just click on train, and here we are. You can see all the values are recorded over here. On which position we got our score, according to that we get a different value over here. Great. Now what I'm going to do, we train our model. Just go back to project, and now we are going to learn and test. Click on learn and test and click on train new machine learning model. It might take few minutes. Great. You can see our model is trained. You can check over here. You can fill the value and according to that get the result, or directly you can go back to project. Now again, go to the scratch screen, and here we'll click on stage. What we are going to do, I will go to variable, and here I will take set block. What I'm going to set over here, I'm going to set the power and the direction according to the whole axis. First we'll select power, second one I will select direction, and here I will go to operator block and take round. So it will going to round off the value, and in this I will put the block predict power from whole axis which we have set, right, and predict direction. So one is power and one is direction because we have taken these two values, right? And here we'll set whole axis, predict power from whole axis according to the variable which we have created. So we'll put whole axis over here. Done. Great. Now just click on the full screen and enjoy your game. How it will work. See, I just click on the green flag. You can see when I just click on green flag, it shows some specific positions, right? I have not set yet this power 5 and direction, but automatically it's set. And now we'll see the result, how it's work. Great. I didn't set the value, but machine learned from data, and on the basis of that we get the highest score with minimum time, right? Now again, if you want to check how it will work, again I just click on green flag. Okay, according to that its power, it must be 4 and the direction would be 22. Do you want to check? I didn't set this. There is a possibility we not train our model with this position, so might be it wrong. But according to that, what is the nearby value it get from our train model, it show over here, right? Now we'll try it. It's quite close, but for this position we have not trained our model, that's why we not get score. Now for this position the power should be 4 and the direction should be 24. Let's check it's working or not. Great. We no need to set our power again. We no need to set the direction. Machine learn from data and will get our results. But it's based on how much and how well you train your machine to predict the best results. Do you want to try it again? Let's try. Again, the power and direction is set according to the position of whole axis, right? Now just click on S again and you will see the result. Great. Have you seen how you can train your machine with the help of data in the form of number, in the form of images, in the form of text, whatever you want, and on the basis of that you will get the result by seeing how machine recognize the images, voice, predict number, and generating text as well. I hope you like and understand this video. Try this and tell me what's your score in golf after train your machine. I'm waiting for your comments. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.